3, 2, 1, fight! Come out, there's that hammer saw whacking right down on it. Tearing that plastic up, spinning up, dropping the hammer on him. Tutorial trying to get a lift, trying to get a suplex. I can't tell if they're stuck.
I think we're stuck.
Are you stuck? No, they are unstuck. They're continuing on. Tutorial trying to get under him. 626 just trying to line that big hammer saw up, and there it comes, dropping the hammer on him. There it is, grinding away on the underbelly of him. There's Tutorial trying to stay under him, trying to control the match. There was a miss there from 626. He had the bag in exposed. There's a hit. There's another hit. There's a pin though, and he gets out.
Power. It's a drive motor. We got to release in 5, 4. He does back up. Are y'all stuck? Oh, no, they're stuck. We're down to 45 seconds. 626 looking to drop that hammer again. Here it comes. There it was. Dropping it right on the weapon of Tutorial. Tutorial trying to stay under him, trying to control the match. Both bots really fast. We're down to 23 seconds. Got to release the hold in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He backs away. Are you stuck? And stop. Oh, he's continue on. All right, and there's the match, and 0. Stop the match. 3, 2, 1, fight! Just as I suspected, box rushing, trying to keep him from getting spun up, trying to smother him in that corner. IMHOTEP trying to get spun up. He's stuck. Calling for the unstick. Pause it. Oh, I'm also stuck.
2, 1, fight! IMHOTEP trying to get spun up. May have gotten it there for a second, I thought. The battle going here. Got him right behind. Push him into the corner. Got to release that hold in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He backs away. Got to get something going in this last minute of this battle. Got to release the hold in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He backs away. He's right back in against him, not allowing him to spin up at all. Got to release. He does release. We're down to 43 seconds. IMHOTEP trying to do something here. Need to get some separation, get that weapon spun up to full speed. Got to release in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He backs away. We're down to 30 seconds, 25 seconds, sorry. Got to release in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Backs away. We're down to 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And stop. 3, 2, 1, fight! What a box rush there. Outrun. Our boys got box rush. They are on each other. This is a good, fast, smothering match here. Outrun got his weapon spun up, trying to get underneath. Tutorial bot staying under him. But he got those squirts up on top of that weapon there for a moment. Not where he wanted them. Going underneath. We're down to 1:15 seconds. Tutorial bot staying after him. Outrunner got that weapon spun up, trying to work its way around to get a good lick on him. We're down to about 1 minute left. Outrunner got underneath the forks there, chewing on that front wedge a little bit. Giving him some hits there in the corner. We're down to 45 seconds. Tutorial bot underneath him, trying to push him around. 30 seconds. That gives him a good little flip. He's able to self-right. And he's stuck. Stop pausing.
No, I'm stuck.
Start. Back at it. Gives a good little hit from Outrunner. Running underneath it down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop.